Hey guys, welcome back fam. Welcome back to a new vlog. Today we're out here on the motorbikes. We're going to do some insane jumping for you guys on the buggy and the four-wheeler. It's going to be lit guys. Roll the intro.
Hey. Good to see you. Come on in, let's go.
Here's Harry first. He gets so much air on this. That wasn't such a good one. What happened? That wasn't that good.
What about this? See
Yeah,
that?
go again.
I'm going to the top of the hill.
Yeah, top of the hill. Here he goes. He's gonna go from the middle kind of building here. Hopefully, good. Here he goes. Woo! That was lit, boy. Okay, he's gonna go one more time. Then we're gonna switch it around, and I'll go on the buggy. He's gonna go from the top of the hill. This is crazy, guys. Crazy. Here he comes. Go! Woo! That was actually pretty good.
It's never done buggy jumping before. It's fun. Really enjoying it. Actually. These take off to go up the hill and it's really good.
Okay guys, so that was me. I'm not sure how it went. I'll review the footage later. So now Harry's going to have a few more. I'm going to tell him to lift up so more. Harry! Lift up heaps! Okay, so Harry's up now. Hopefully we can get some good angles. Let's do it. Ooh, he went sideways. The jump's getting more flat, but he went sideways. And so here's Harry again. He's going to try and get more air. He's going sideways. He's actually going up that side, on his side. I don't know what's wrong. Okay guys, so I was just talking to Harry and he said that he's going up one side and the other side's uneven, so he's going to try and fix it this time. Here he comes. That was a bit better. That was better. We're off for the drive. Upload our song or not. We have made it. It's called It's Lit. So I'll help Harry now. Okay guys, so now we're heading over to this jump here. This one's pretty good too. What's that? Just hold up. Go. Oh, you freaking stalled. Oh, you freaking stalled. Okay, here's Harry. That was good. Thumbs up to him. Hope he wants to go over here now. I don't know. Oh, there's another jump over here. Yeah, I'll see this one. Oh, I see which one he's going. That one was good. I just videoed a little clip on slow-mo, not on this, but it was actually, he actually went so high on this jump right here. And now I'm going to try, he's going on a rally, I don't know what he's doing. I'm going to get him to go on it again for you guys. He was going too quick and he crashed. Coming! Yeah. Okay guys, here he goes. Go ahead. Woo! Boss. Absolute boss. I say. Sick lad. Sick.
Tell me how high.
Harry reckons he can get higher, do you reckon? I don't reckon.
Yeah.
I reckon that's a max.
I'm going, bro.
He's going again.
I'm only going to get half the speed that I can go on there.
Everyone go drop a like on this video right now for this daredevil. That way, Harry Surgeon, right now, go drop a like, peeps. Funny thing about that is I can start it with one hand and Harry can't even start it with two. Okay, here he is. He's going to try and go max speed. Oh, he crashed again. You actually do this. There you go. Go, Haz. Go in. He went so further, I reckon. I reckon he went further. I reckon you went further.
Give me a look.
Okay guys, Harry's going to have one more and then I'm going to have a go on this same jump. See how we go. Yes I am. I'm going to floor the flip out of it. No I won't. I'm going to go good. Harry still reckons he can get higher, so here he is. Did you just stall? Oh God. How many times do you flip and stall? You didn't even do a doughy.
You're my backup.
Oh, that hurt. Frick.
Give me a phone.
No. Hashtag vlog dude, boy. Okay, here he is. Oh my God. He actually crashed again. Oh, oh God. For frick's sake. Oh God. He's crashed 3 times there. Here, go. That one was pretty good. It's now got to me. He wants to go again, I don't know why. He nosedive. Wear a seatbelt, kids. Wear a seatbelt.
Sorry guys, Jackie's having one more go, so let's go.
It's lit every day, bro.
Here it comes, guys.
Okay guys, we've decided to end the vlog here. Make sure you drop a like on this video for us 2 daredevils. Make sure you're subscribed, turn our notifications on. We'll see you in the next video. Roll the outro.